Hi guys, in this video I'll teach you how to create a green screen in CapCut. So if I want this cat to act as the main focus of the green screen, start by adding the clip to your timeline by clicking the little plus here. And now select the part of the video that you want to become a green screen. So I'm just going to choose till here, just for the example of this video. Cut it by click Ctrl B and now delete the long clip. You don't need to do this. This is just because the clip was a bit long. So the next step is to go and actually download a picture of a green screen. So I've just Googled green screen and I've chosen the first picture. I've already downloaded this, but simply just right click and now go down and save image as. And now on CapCut, click import and edit. So now the next step is to go under cat video. Here, sorry, click down on the timeline. And now on the video, you want to go to remove background here. And the easiest and fastest way to create a green screen is simply using the alt removal feature. And as you can see when I play the video, it's not perfect, but it's definitely worked. And the next step is to add the green screen. Click and drag down here. And now click on the cat video and go back here. Click on the cat video and put that on top here. And now click on the green video and just expand the green screen until it fits the entire section here. And now as we play, we have a base for the green screen. I'm just going to make it the same length here. So now this is ready to download. That's the first step. So go up and click export in the top right corner. And you don't really need to change anything. You can change the name of it. I'm just going to write green screen video. And you can you can choose where you download it to. This doesn't matter to me right now. I'm just going to click export and cancel. Now delete everything you've done down here. And now import the green screen video. And now you can click on the little plus and add it to your timeline. And as you can see, we have the green screen here. To add a new background, simply click here and now go to remove background again. Click chroma key, the little tick mark here, and click color picker. Now you want to click on the green color. And then I want you to go and import the background for the video. For this, I'm just gonna use what's in the stock here. Let's say I want to add some clouds, maybe. Yeah, I want to add these. So simply drag it down. And now I want it to go here under color. So video, remove background, enable chroma key, color picker, go on the green screen. And now you want to drag the intensity here. And the next step is to put the green screen on top here. And as you can see now, we have successfully made a green screen. It's not perfect, but there's other options out there, and this video is quite high quality, so it looks a bit more grainy. But that's essentially how you can make a quick green screen on CapCut.